Triumph Scrambler 1200XE 2026 is an even more extreme evolution of the firm's classic modern icon, with off-road prowess underpinned by timeless British style and the latest engineering. Triumph Motorcycles has developed the model over a series of technical and visual advances since then, in direct reaction to customer comments and demand for the integrity of performance. With its fresh suspension setup, fresh color palette, and flawless build quality, the Scrambler 1200XE rewrites the adventure bike textbook. The Scrambler 1200XE for 2026 receives significant revisions that make it even more desirable, a notch or two above. The most glaring upgrade comes in the form of a high-spec suspension package that brings fully adjustable 47mm Showa forks at the front and double-spring twin Öhlins RSUs at the back. These premium bits of hardware have replaced the standard issue, providing enhanced damping, comfort, and traction over rough ground. On rocky roads or navigating urban streets, this setup provides unprecedented poise and confidence. The 2026 Scrambler 1200XE is visually distinguished, too, by fresh, unique color schemes. Two premium top-of-the-line paint colors, matte khaki green and matte crystal white, and silver ice and phantom black, are joined by the model's tough, premium demeanor. The XE graphic and gold tank striping provide an extra degree of exclusivity and street-savvy readiness off-road. The sapphire black is the starting point for those who want the classic, laid-back look. The Scrambler 1200XE, explains Triumph Chief Commercial Officer Paul Stroud, is for riders who require nothing less than uncompromising performance with first-class style. The application of Showa and Öhlins hardware demonstrates the admiration that Triumph has for class-leading hardware that provides control and comfort. Attention to detail through precision engineering ensures that the XE is faithful to its adventurous lineage, able to perform at its best on or off-road. Under its head-turning looks, the Scrambler 1200XE has a purpose-designed frame, offering stiffness and flexibility. Cast aluminum swing arm, long travel, and fully adjustable suspension setup offers 250mm of wheel travel, bump-free progress and stability in the most diabolical of off-road landscapes. On the tarmac, steering is assisted by the 21-inch front wheel, and the high-specification equipment typically offers a good balanced ride that inspires confidence on every bend. Braking is high-tech too. Thanks to Brembo Stylema M4.30 radial monoblock calipers and two 320mm discs up front, XE's braking is intimidating. A Nissan caliper and 255mm disc rear seal the deal for grip in full. Optimized cornering ABS and traction control systems blur the limits of rider safety, accompanied by dynamic lean angle and road surface adaptation. For those who want a little bit of outright handling on the rough stuff, the electronic aids can be completely switched off. Propelling the Scrambler 1200XE is Triumph's iconoclastic 1200cc high-power Bonneville twin engine. Reworked for the Scrambler, it produces 90 PS of maximum power and an enormous 110 Newton-meters of torque at 4,250 per minute. This gives them a wide, usable power band that delivers silky acceleration and keen throttle response in all conditions. The 50mm throttle body delivers precision-tuned gas flow for quicker response, and the high-mount brushed stainless steel exhaust silencers deliver the clean, raspy exhaust sound that is the heart of freedom and adventure. The engine features a 6-speed transmission and torque assist clutch to deliver silky shifting and rider fatigue reduction. 6 are options from which to select the ride-by-wire throttle setting: road, rain, sport, rider configurable, off-road, and off-road pro. Throttle response, ABS intervention, and traction control modes are condition and rider preference based. Off-Road Pro is the only one for XE that shuts off traction control and ABS entirely to offer optimal off-road driving. Long-distance convenience and comfort are built into the XE. Motorway cruising is even more decadent, with one-button cruise control, a full-color TFT instrument with 2 theme environments, widespread setting options, and automatic brightness. Riders can even personalize the startup screen with their own name, so every ride is individual to them. Switchgear is backlit, and an intuitive 5-way joystick, even in darkest light, means easy use. Connectivity has its moment in the 2026 variant as well. The XE is prepared for My Triumph system, and it's simple to connect smartphone use, phone calls, and turn-by-turn sat-nav on the TFT screen. A concealed USB charging point at the back of the seat to keep phones powered on extended rides means the bike is as useful as it's powerful. The 2026 Scrambler 1200 XE's appearances are loyal to its heritage but stunning in their novelty. Fuel tank chiseled, forward sculpted stance, and enormous handlebars convey respect. Brushed aluminum Monza filler cap, anodized swing arm, ribbed bench seat, aluminum numberboard, and brushed Triumph badges introduce. The accessories allow riders to customize their machine to high-mileage adventure, city commute, or hardcore off-road thrills, all under Triumph factory warranty. Longevity and longevity are at the very forefront of the Scrambler 1200 XE. The machine has a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading 10,000-mile, 16,000-kilometer servicing. Something to take into account, the fact that the bike is built to withstand and in the mind of the rider for confidence. It all adds up to more road time and less garage time for maximum value and enjoyment over the life of the motorcycle. The new 2026 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE also heralds the launch of a new system of streamlining motorcyclists to pre-order their motorbikes. Triumph's Reserve My Triumph web-based system enables UK purchasers to spec and pre-order their ideal motorbike with a deposit payment via their local dealer. The convenient procedure enables the spec and color to be chosen in advance and motorbikes to be delivered, knowing that they will get their desired setup in good time. Its launch into further European and international markets in spring 2026 is a tribute to Triumph's dedication to ever more customer-centric digital life. Its new specification suspension, state-of-the-art ergonomics, premium engine delivery, and new styling drive the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE as a challenge to the company's boundless pursuit of excellence. It's a motorcycle for riders who demand adventure and authenticity, a glorious blend of new innovation and classic British spirit. All details, from its Öhlins rear suspension to its characteristic exhaust tone, are designed with one purpose and only one purpose in mind: to deliver the precision, performance, and passion on each journey. Defined by its classic shape and technical excellence, the 2026 Scrambler 1200 XE is still the standard by which all Scramblers are measured. From shaving up mountain roads that twist and turn in obscure directions one way and then another, to chunking up off-road trails, or tooling around town on low-radius loops down urban streets, this is a bike about discovering that perfect balance of capability, comfort, and personality, intended to travel farther, for longer, in more refined fashion than any other motorcycling adventure. The Scrambler 1200 XE is not a motorcycle. It's an open invitation to unlimited adventure.